Welcome to this introductory video on the Toxchem wastewater predictive fate modeling and simulation platform. In this video, we will introduce to you the capabilities and features of Hydromentis' industry-leading product, including a software demonstration and discussion of the advanced tools available to simplify analysis and show you how to utilize Toxchem to its full potential. Toxchem version 4.0 is the most comprehensive, advanced, and user-friendly fate modeling solution available today. Industries, consultants, municipalities, and universities around the world use our simulation platform in many applications, including regulatory reporting, pre-treatment assessments, and analysis and optimization of treatment systems. So what is Toxchem? Simply put, it's a package that allows you to build a mathematical model of a wastewater treatment plant and then run simulations with that model to determine the relative importance of the different fate mechanisms. This includes stripping and volatilization of organic compounds to air, biodegradation of organic compounds, and sorption of contaminants to solids. The model can be used to evaluate an existing plant or to test a proposed design. Let's move on to introduce some of the applications of the Toxchem software. One of the most common uses of Toxchem is for preparation of an air emissions inventory for a wastewater treatment facility. Toxchem's Emissions Hotspots tool highlights the highest emission rates for individual compounds. This information can be used to determine where emission reduction efforts will have the greatest impact. Our modeling community also uses Toxchem as a tool for the comparison of alternatives. Whether considering entirely different plant designs, plant retrofits, or just different operational strategies, testing out alternative options in a numerical model gives the process engineer a level of confidence that their decision is sound. Some plants have difficulty meeting effluent or biosolids concentration objectives due to trace organic and metal compounds present in the influent stream. Through the back-solving feature, Toxchem enables users to determine the maximum allowable headworks concentrations of contaminants for application with wastewater pretreatment programs. Users of our software have modeled contributions of trace contaminants from off-site waste such as landfill leachate, septage, or industrial wastewaters that have been hauled to a treatment facility. Once the model has been created, the results can be assessed to ensure the addition of these compounds can be added without compromising the effluent quality. Let's now take a look at Toxchem in action. The new and improved software interface is the easiest to use contaminant fate modeling package on the market, and is far more intuitive than any other piece of software, including freeware. Version 4 allows users to easily assemble a treatment plant, enter characterization data, and run simulations. Process selection and placement is now a drag-and-drop operation, with easy population of input parameters by simply right-clicking on the process of interest. The new Fate Summary toolbar offers an immediate visual overview of results from the model simulation, while the detail information is available by right-clicking on a process. New to version 4.0 are the contributions of individual liquid-to-gas transfer mechanisms such as surface volatilization, weir emissions, and air stripping. User-friendliness has been raised to a new level in version 4 by allowing users to open several model layout configurations within the same file. No longer is a user required to exit from one layout file to work with a different one. This is especially useful when several minor modifications of the same process layout are being compared to evaluate relative process effectiveness. After running simulations, the new Toxchem report generation system allows users to immediately export all of the information directly in the form of a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. This customizable reporting tool is as simple as choosing your options from a single window and clicking Accept. Toxchem has expanded its extensive suite of unit process models to include mechanically mixed anaerobic and anoxic tanks for users modeling plants with biological nutrient removal, either for nitrogen alone or together with phosphorus reduction. Additionally, biodegradation in these tanks can be customized through adjustable biorate coefficients. Many pharmaceuticals, personal care products, and industrial contaminants such as brominated flame retardants and bisphenol A have been added to the version 4 database to allow users to see how these compounds behave in their wastewater treatment facilities. Additionally, the Toxchem database has been augmented to include the compounds defined in the US EPA reference manual, air emissions models for waste and wastewater. Toxchem now boasts a database population of over 800 compounds, and what's more, new compounds can be easily added or created from existing ones. Some of the organic compounds in Toxchem's database are weak acids or bases. These types of compounds can switch between non-ionic, undissociated forms or ionic dissociated forms depending on the wastewater pH. The ionic form of the compound is more soluble in water than the non-ionic form, and therefore is less likely to be removed from the wastewater by stripping or volatilization to the air. The Toxchem database has been supplemented with the acid dissociation constants to correct for the fraction of the organic compound that is present in the dissociated form. The pH of the wastewater is simply set as a universal site value, with the option to modify the pH in specific processes as needed. Mass transfer between liquid and gas phases is one of the most important fate mechanisms in Toxchem. Many of the mass transfer coefficients are defined as the ratio of the liquid and gas phase coefficients. In past versions of Toxchem, the value of these ratios was specific to unit processes and was hard-coded. Version 4 gives users much more flexibility in the calibration of mass transfer by allowing users to modify the value of the ratio in each process. Toxchem's support network begins with two detailed, easy-to-read manuals, namely a user's guide that leads people through the steps involved in creating and running treatment plant configurations. The second is a comprehensive technical manual describing all the fate and transport equations and mass balances used in the software. The next level of support is our free tutorial videos hosted on our website, and the live webinars which address a variety of specific topics based on getting the most out of a Toxchem license. With a software technical support contract, you will have access to Hydromantis' modeling experts to address your questions. Immediate and responsive technical support is available via phone during normal business hours for Eastern Standard Time. The world's best Toxchem modeling experts are also available to provide support and assistance by email and live internet meeting. Finally, users can continually be trained and kept up to date through Hydromantis' training and educational curriculum, which is available via live teleconference or in person. Toxchem licensing options are designed to meet the needs of modelers from companies and institutions of all sizes. Hydromantis offers standalone and network licenses which can be used separately or in combination to distribute software tools as needed within an organization. When you invest in a Toxchem software license, you're getting much more than a piece of software. With Toxchem, you get the best fate model available, the best interface, mathematical models, chemical database, documentation, and technical support. You're getting an industry-leading tool that becomes a sustainable part of your organization. Toxchem is the most advanced predictive fate modeling tool in the wastewater industry, and is backed by over 25 years of development and expertise. Hundreds of users worldwide employ Hydromantis' technology for design, optimization, and operation of wastewater treatment systems. Why not join the ever-growing community of modeling engineers using Toxchem? Join one of our webinars to see the software in action, or contact us for more information about the world's most powerful wastewater simulation package.